너무 말로 하지 말고.
치즈케이크.
어?
치즈케이크.
케이크라고 했었어? 뭐라고? 뭐라고?
Leche Flan. We're gonna try it out. What's going on, everybody? In today's video, we'll be cooking Leche Flan. Leche Flan is a very popular Filipino dish, dessert, and it's really great. It's very tasty, very sweet, and the dinner table is not complete without Leche Flan. So I'm gonna teach you how to make Leche Flan step by step, and it's super easy. You have to try it. So let's get right to it. Traditionally, you're gonna use 10 eggs. However, I used 5. And then you're going to divide the egg yolks and whites separately. And then just continue on this process until you get to your amount. Now just pour in 1 cup of evaporated milk into the bowl. Now take 14 ounces of condensed milk and mix it all together. Now once you're done mixing, just pull your vanilla extract and add 1 tablespoon. Now it's time to pull your sugar. Add at least 2 to 3 tablespoons into your llanera. If you don't have llanera like I do, I just use pot. That should work as well. Once you've added your sugar, now it's time to heat it up. Heat it up for a few minutes until you see your sugar turn into a light brown. However, it's important not to overcook your sugar because the sugar will have a bitter taste if it's overcooked. Now once your sugar has a caramelized color, now you can begin to pour your ingredients. Once you've added all your ingredients to the pot or llanera, you can start boiling it for 30 minutes.
너무 말로 하지 말고.
치즈케이크.
어?
치즈케이크.
케이크라고 했었어? 뭐라고? 뭐라고?
이거 뭐야?
알았어?
Now once that's boiled, slice around the flan, so that way the flan can slide out very easily.
Why?
Now it's time to chow down. Itadakimasu. Let's eat. Really good. You can taste the flavor. It's sweet, but it's real dessert. The heart of the Filipino desserts. Leche Flan. We're gonna try it out. Masarap.